Okay, you guys, here we go again. You know, this is a Italian Mini, an Innocente or Innocenti, with a Honda D16 motor in it. So it's not often that we do Honda swaps or Honda powered Minis in the shop. So it's fairly rare. And when we get one in here, I thought you might like to go for a ride. So let's go for a ride. Sounds like a Honda. And look at this Inno wing mirrors or wing windows. Ooh, very cool. I love Inno Minis. The Italian Minis, I just don't know how to describe them. They're different in a good way. I like them. But here we have a Honda motor in an Italian Mini. So I think we're representing a few countries here. Japan, Italy, England, and now the USA, because that's where this car lives. So this little Honda motor actually has some really good components in it, some forged pistons, some special rods. And yeah, she scoots. Any Mini with over 100 horsepower at the wheels is a lot of fun. And watch this. We're in fourth. Ooh. 5 speeds! Whoa! So this still retains 10-inch wheels. It's got the 4-piston alloy calipers on vented slotted rotors that fit under 10s. Those are actually 7.9 rotors. It's got sway bars and all kinds of cool stuff on it. It's a fun little car. All right, I'm gonna punch it for you guys. Marking them in second. Dang. So when our customer Brian called me and said, "Can I bring you my Honda powered Mini?" It's got issues. I think the rod is knocking, the pistons are hitting the spark plugs. Oh, the list was huge. Well, come to find out, it had the wrong spark plugs in it. Not Brian's fault. It's the mechanic he had taken it to prior. And the camshaft was broken on the end. And the cam gear was smacking the head, and it sounded horrible. But there was nothing wrong with the bottom end. We put a new camshaft in it from Crower, a high performance stage 1. Dial it in, and well, Brian, you're gonna love your car, because I probably have more miles on it now than you do. Keith is gonna wonder why we got back to the shop so fast. Well, that's why. Oh, that's too fun. I can hear it and feel it when it gets into VTEC. It's awesome. All right, you guys. Did you enjoy your ride along in a Honda-powered Innocenti Mini? I did. Woohoo! All right. There you go. See you on the next one.